This is Homelink 8.4, Fraction Puzzles for Grade 3 Everyday Math. We've been working with fractions of regions and sets. Ask your child to explain how he or she knows which fractions to write in Problem 1. Today, we began to think of fractions on a number line. For Problem 2, help your child count the number of intervals from 0 to 1 in order to figure out which fraction each small mark indicates. Number 1. How many pieces of fruit are shown? So we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 pieces of fruit shown. Okay, and so this wants to know what fraction of the fruit are bananas, which fraction are pears, and which fraction are apples. Well, we know there are 9 pieces in all, so the 9 is going to be the denominator in every single one of these problems here. And then the top number is going to be how many pieces of fruit there are of those kinds. So bananas, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. So 4/9, 4 out of 9 of the fruit are bananas. How much of the fruit are pears? 1, 2. There are 2 pears. So 2/9 of the fruit are pears. How many are apples? 1, 2, 3. 3/9 of the fruit are apples. What fraction of the fruit are oranges? Well, there are no oranges. So 0 out of 9 are oranges. Okay, there are 0 oranges there. Number 2. Fill in the missing numbers on each number line. Now, if you take a look at this, you see it's between 0 and 1. So this is a fraction number line, and it gives us some hints down here. This is 0 out of 3, and this ends up as 3 out of 3. So the third is going to go right on the bottom there. These are all going to be 3s. We're going to keep this counting with the same denominator. And look, if we go across the top, now we can start counting like we're familiar with on a number line. 0 thirds, 1 third, 2 thirds, 3 thirds. Okay? And for this number line, it's in fourths. And you see, we can put it right here, 4s and the denominators across the bottom. Okay? And we're going to start 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. And you can see 2/4 is equal to 1/2, and 4/4 is equal to 1. Alright, number 3. It says, write these problems on the back of this page. Solve and show your work. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to solve them right here for us. So, 444 minus 398. Okay, write them up and down. They're much easier to solve this way, especially if you're using a traditional algorithm to solve them. 4 minus 8, can't do it, gotta borrow, make that a 3, this is a 14, 14 minus 8 is 6, 3 minus 9, I can't do it, gotta borrow, 13 minus 9 is 4, and then there's nothing left, so 46 is the answer to number 3. Number 4, now look at your sign, don't forget to look at your sign, 777 plus 492. We're adding this time. So we have 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. Put down the 6, carry the 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. That's 1,269. Okay, next is 888 minus 678. I'm going to set that up right here. 888 minus 678. Don't let it confuse you just because it's on the other side of the equals sign. Doesn't matter which side of the equals sign we put these on. We're still looking for the answer to this problem. 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. The answer is 210. 210. Okay, and over here, 324 equals something minus 675. So something, some larger number, minus 675 is going to equal 324. When we have a problem like this where we're looking for a missing number, we're going to try to figure it out by adding 675 plus 324. Okay, that's how we can figure out what that bigger number is. And then we can see. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer is 999 minus 675, and if we were to check that, 999 minus 675, we should get this. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3. The answer came out correctly. It is 999. This is HomeLink 8.4 Fraction Puzzles for Grade 3 Everyday Math.